Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Serfikera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the new chapter today, that is chapter number 16, Golden Virtue. Now here you have to observe the given pictures very carefully and then write the appropriate words related to those pictures from the help desk. So let's read it and write the answers for them. The first one given in the picture here is address everyone with respect. Everyone is important in his or her own way. So this is telling you that what you should do is you should be respectful to the other people also. So we will write over here respectful. Then next is speak politely, others can yell louder than you. यानी कि आपको politely बात करनी चाहिए, दूसरा आपसे और ज़्यादा तेज चीख सकता है. So what you have to do is soft skills. They are talking about soft skills. Next we have is when in doubt, it's always good to ask and wrong guesses may be costly. तो जब भी आप किसी डाउट की सिचुएशन में हो, हमेशा बेटर है कि आप क्वेश्चन पूछें दूसरे से. यू शुड क्लियर योर डाउट बाय आस्किंग द अदर पर्सन. गेस लगाना बहुत ही खतरनाक हो सकता है. एंड हेंस यू विल राइट ओवर हियर effective questioning. The next we have is do all that is to be done the same day. We should not leave anything for the other day or for the other hour. जो भी कुछ करना है उसे उसी समय उसी पल कीजिए. There are other things to do the next day because अगले दिन के लिए आपके पास अगले दिन का अगला काम होता है. If you keep on piling up things, they will all become a heap and hence you will not be able to do them. इसलिए काम को उसी समय करिए. And this is called as activeness. You should be active enough to do your work and complete it at the right time. Let's now move further. The next one given over here is keep up promises and commit only those things that you can do. Means you should not do any false promise with your friends, with your relatives or with the elders. आपसे वही promise करिए जो आप कर सकते हैं. The last one given over here is help your friends to study and learn but don't let them copy your homework. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प करते हैं, इट इज़ रियली वेरी वेल एंड गुड. यू हेल्प देम इन देयर स्टडीज, you help your friends, but ask them to do their work on their own. Don't tell them or don't let them copy your work from your homework. So this is known as helpful. You should be helpful to others, and with this we have now completed the chapter. I hope you must have liked it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.